Introduction to real-time protection.
Real-time protection is a key feature in antivirus apps that actively scans files and activities on your device, blocking threats as they occur. Enabling this feature helps prevent viruses, malware, and other dangers before they can cause harm. Let's explore how to activate and optimize real-time protection in some of the most popular antivirus applications.
Enabling real-time protection in Windows Defender.
To turn on real-time protection in Windows Defender, open your Start menu and go to Settings. Select Update and Security, and then Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings. Toggle the Real-Time Protection switch to On. This keeps your Windows device continually protected against the latest threats.
Activating real-time scanning in Avast Antivirus.
For Avast Antivirus, open the Avast user interface. Click on Protection, then select Core Shields. Make sure all shields, such as File Shield and Web Shield, are enabled. These shields work together to provide continuous real-time scanning, immediately detecting and blocking malicious activities or files.
Optimizing real-time protection in McAfee.
In McAfee, launch the app and go to the home screen. Click on Virus and Spyware Protection, then select Real-Time Scanning. Ensure the feature is turned on. Customize what gets scanned by reviewing the settings, allowing you to balance thorough protection with system performance.
Fine-tuning real-time protection in Norton.
Open Norton Antivirus and select Settings. Under Antivirus, choose the Scans and Risks tab. Verify that Auto-Protect and Sonar Protection are enabled. These real-time scanning features work together to detect known and emerging threats, giving your device comprehensive protection.
Tips for maximizing device safety.
Keep your antivirus software updated to ensure real-time protection recognizes the latest threats. Regularly check your settings to confirm protection is active. Avoid disabling real-time features even during software installs. Combining vigilant use with up-to-date antivirus will help keep your device safe from evolving cyber threats.